Hello, I'm Dietitian Anju Gupta. I am sponsored by Dietitian Kaveri. My mentor is Rohini. Here I'm just sharing my knowledge about Neutralite history and its farming practices. Uh, Neutralite is a division that uh, uh, is launched in 1939, whereas its company is launched in 1934. And when this company is started to running, then there was so many problems also. They are suffering from that, and they are facing that. And by this means, after struggling for so many years, they get certification from the government also for that. And if we are talking about न्यूट्रालाइट एक खुद में पहचान है, बिकॉज इट्स प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड ऑर्गेनिक का मतलब देयर इज ऑर्गेनिक मीन्स while growing to develop seed into plant, then there is no any type of fertilizer or pesticides are used in the soil. हाँ, अब आप ये कहेंगे कि एक सॉइल हाउस सॉइल कैन बी so beneficial if I am not using pesticide and fertilizer, then it is also possible. Yes, it is possible because जो ऑर्गेनिक जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उनके लिए क्या होता है, दे आर वेटिंग फॉर द राइट type of weather, right type of soil, and also right seeds. If seed is of not good quality, then never do any other process. So that's when they choose the right quality of seeds, and then select the right type of soil and weather also. Then उसको इम्प्लांट करते हैं एक प्लांट की फॉर्मेशन होने के लिए. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स एज इट स्टार्टेड टू ग्रोज, देन they keep an eyes on its harvesting, its agriculture, and other techniques for getting its phyto nutrients. So phytonutrients are essential for our body, and it helps us in fighting with the different type of diseases and different types of other molecules which trying to inhibit our health. तो अब क्या होता है कि जब वो ऐसा करते हैं, फिर दे कैरी दीज चूज और कटिंग, इवन इट्स कटिंग प्रोसेस आल्सो डिफरेंट, एंड ये दे यूज ए स्पेशल टेक्निक फॉर दैट. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स दे चूज द सम लीव्स, स्टेम्स, फ्लावर्स, fruits also according to their products, and then go through the transportation. and transportation टाइम पे भी वो सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखते हैं, किसी प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम कोई ना होने पाए. एंड इन द फैक्ट्रीज दे आर फर्स्टली दे टेक दीज प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर द सैम्पलिंग. तो वहाँ पे साइंटिस्ट बड़े बड़े अवेलेबल होते हैं. सो दीज साइंटिस्ट take and analyze these phytonutrients. If these phytonutrients are good in quality, then it's okay for growing, for developing the products. Otherwise they again start their process. So by this means there are long phenomena for that, and they were struggling as before, but nowadays its name is only unique here, just because of that ki not only that ki that reason is associated with AMA. No, इसकी एक अपनी पहचान, just because of organic product, just because of good quality, just because of no any side effect. तो जैसा कि आजकल ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स की डिमांड है, just because of keeping our health in views. So that means we have to just focus on that. Thank you so much.